We're a little bit hanging on to the idea that we won't be hiking in the rain.
Slowly maybe letting that go.
What time is it here? It's 10:50. 10:50. So we probably could have left before 7. But it started to rain. So we got back in the tent, took a nap. It kept raining, kept relaxing.
Because there's nothing else to do.
So now we're like considering options. The hike to the car is about less than 8 miles.
Yeah.
That would be, I think, doable before dark if we leave, before or around noon. It gives us 1 more hour. And not that we couldn't hike with our headlamps. Yeah. Or we could get 3 miles and then repitch the tent, which is sounding less and less attractive, right, Becky?
Yeah.
If we get wet, it would be better just to keep going and know that a dry hotel room, which we have not booked, is likely somewhere. That town was pretty big.
Yeah, that's true.
So we should be able to find something. So that's
Especially
kind of
with the fires.
Yeah.
That are hopefully getting put out.
Yeah. So that's been our morning here on day 2. So, yep, and we're hoping the water doesn't like seep in to the bottom because we're getting a little bit of stream. So eventually it will come through. This is not yet. That's a better shot of what I'm worried about.
Probably 7.5 miles.
We got peanut butter and jelly tortillas in the rain. Okay, we've made the fun decision to hike out in the rain and shoot for the car. 7 miles. Hopefully it's just a light rain. Maybe it'll go away. But we've waited all morning. We just had lunch. It's 12:15. So we're gonna try to get packed up. We'll get our gear on. We'll put the tent away, and then we'll head out. It looks like it's more flat than yesterday, with the hard part's over.
You think?
Yeah, I don't know how many more hours of tent we have before it starts to perforate all the way through, but not all night. So, Nikki is wisely putting her sleeping bag in a trash bag for added security. So, anyway, gotta give an update. We'll see how the rest of the thing goes. Okay, we have had a brief break in the rain, and
We hope it's a done. Hey, there's a duck. 3 ducks.
3 ducks out there.
Finally some.
We don't have time to enjoy the wildlife, Becky. Oh, you got your rainfly taking it out kind of awkwardly.
My balls are hanging out. My
Little
ball.
pouch. Hard to do one-handed. I don't know why I'm videoing this. Just started a new video. Okay. This is the reason to bring walking sticks. Is it squishy on the right? I see that. On which side? Yay! Did not have to step in the water. Yeah. Which is after check-in time for most places. Yeah. Is that the trail? Or is this the crossing? We cross here.
We do?
I don't know. I was asking you. There's a small path to the left, and there's a bridge of rocks and a path.
Oh. We might have to change our street. This is where people are crossing right here.
Okay.
Yeah, we do cross.
Cool. I think we do 2 sticks each hand. So you go and
Well,
then
let
you
me
show
go
me a
first
stick.
if it's impossible. My socks are work better.
I think it's quite possible. Those are skinny sticks, though. You got this, Becky. Do you want to do your sandals? You don't want to fall because your whole bag will be soaked. There's a telephone pole when. Eek, keep going. Are you good for now?
I'm gonna pass you another one.
Okay.
Okay, go. Ooh. You did it.
All right, how long have we been going? Should have looked before I started. We got 2.5 hours in. So, some of it was dry.
3 miles.
So, now
It was
it's
not
a light rain. It was heavier earlier, but trying to stay dry. We're enjoying the waterfall view and the mountain. No. Anyway, any comments? Okay, your hair's out. It's okay. The ends of it are really wet because it collects. All right, well, we'll proceed to the dry car.
Yes. Be a few hours.
Taking a little break in the sun and in the bench feeding. So nice stream here we've been walking next to, finally crossed. Getting the rain pants off. Nice. Yeah.
And I was like, yeah.
Did you get rain on?
This way.
Right.
And we came up and did the big loop.
Yeah, that's what we
Yeah.
just got done doing.
Okay.
Yeah, this has been. There's not a lot of signs. There's nothing marked.
Yeah.
Yeah. Whew. How long have you been waiting?
About 20 minutes.
Yeah. Good trip.
Have a
He's got win on the spot. All right, well, we got out. Last couple miles were pretty simple. Not rainy. So, Becky was at somebody's trail angel. She was a little bit lost. He goes, "Who'd be my trail angel?" Somebody in the parking lot.
Yeah.
We were like, "That's where we're
That's easy.
going." I hope we know where. So, what do you think, Becky? Give it a good couple of sentences of what the hike.
A couple sentences. Beautiful lakes, great mountains, not much wildlife.
That's true. It's fair.
That was 3
Not
sentences.
super busy either.
Not super busy.
You could have
for
made
this
them in a
being-
paragraph form. Yeah, it was good. The rain added a challenge that we hadn't
It
faced
did.
before backpacking. So we turned a 3-day one into a 2-day,
Yeah.
which I think is smart for us. And we're at the Toro car or whatever it's called. And I got keys.
And we did 9 miles today.
Oh yeah, stop my watch. Now we're going to a restaurant.
Bear Joe, come on! Bear's coming! He's huge! He's fierce! Go, 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 go!
Open.
That was way faster. That was way faster. Good job.
This for